Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ àti bí tẹ́ ti ń gbọ́ wa. This is CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Maureen Badejo àti Aunty Adunni tó ń lọ lórí ayélujára, Maureen ti wá jáde báyìí again láti wá tú pẹ̀rẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ lórí ìbájọṣepọ̀ tó wà láàrin àwọn àti Aunty Adunni lórí àwọn allegations kan pé bóyá Maureen Badejo ló kọ́kọ́ pè wọ́n àbí àwọn ló kọ́kọ́ pè Maureen Badejo. Òun ni Maureen wá mú àwọn ẹ̀rí jáde pé bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣe jẹ́ lélẹ́yìí jẹ́jẹ́ àwọn làwọn dúró, arábìnrin ló kọ́kọ́ contact àwọn, so gbogbo bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣe jẹ́ ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé nǹkan, ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ gbogbo bí ọ̀rọ̀ dragging yìí náà ṣe ń lọ. Ẹ máa fi opinion yìí sínú comment.
Good morning, everyone. I want to use this medium to say thank you, especially those of you that still believe in truth. There's one thing I want everyone listening to me to know. I'm not a member of any of these churches, and they should put their house in order. Everything that I ever come on my platform that I say or publish is from their members. And some of them, they gave me evidence, but I don't want to go into that. But what I want you to know, I don't know who is afraid of me running kitikita kata kata, going to pay blogger, going on blogger page, doing all sort of lies narrative. I know they for trouble. I don't like drama. But this woman, I don't answer anybody. I know they do fracas. I am too determined. Now front that they go. You see, I know Adunni propaganda is a strategy to distract me, but I will answer because I need to let her know she's another very stupid woman. Yes. Tebanwa alabosi oponu o jenile orun jenile egungun e ma wa jina àwọn ẹlẹ́nu méjì Adunni ni. But I like I said in my previous video, I don't know her. And I challenge her. She's free to bring out the number of calls I ever made to her. She the one call me. I want everybody to know one thing. For the fathers, I refuse to reply her since 2022 till date. It's not because I am a coward or I don't know what to say. Some people, some issues are, I don't know her. She's inconsequential to me because I don't know her. And I never come to this cyberspace to come and say she's my friend because I know her. I know her. But unfortunately, some of you, what you see is different from what is going on. I've been on cyberspace for a while, even before she carried her matter come with me. And I need you to know what actually happened. She requested for help. I render my help without any hesitation, without hiding anything. But you see, this woman, she went online to twist the whole thing. I don't know whatever they paid her, and I don't know what is biting her. You allege that I told you that I received $15,000 from each of my YouTube channels. And I challenge you, can you bring your proof? Like everything that transpired between both of us, including where I called you Alabosi, I have my proof. And that's why I decided, I refuse to answer you, but when I know, because I saw all your moves, I ever answered you is when you want to use Doris, when Doris and Dada Masisi want to use you to change the narrative about Ruth's case. That was when I came out for you for the first time to tell the whole world that this is a damage control. And I know your type. And you started another one, which you are going to fail. Babe. But let me remind you, because I can see, I don't know what is wrong with you. Maybe you've got dementia and you have memory failure. So I need to refresh your memory. That's why I have to bring this here. This is you. This is you this is the same Adunni. I want you guys to read. Adunni came to me November 14, 2021. She said, how are you over there? Our mommy, please, I need advice concerning my page. Let me know when it is okay to talk to you. This woman, this Alabosi woman, she came to me that she needed help. And eventually she called me and I told her. She said they've tampered with her page, things are not working. And I said, no. If you have issues like this, you can, when you talk about pastors, they will attack your page. It's a normal thing. That what you're supposed to do, go and open a backup page. That was when, because she said they reduce her view. And you see, when they reduce your view, you won't have more view.